Alright, welcome. And my name is Steve Fairgrave. I'll be teaching this class this semester. In this video here is to help you kind of get set up and get ready to go. So if you log into our course on Brightspace, that's going to be kind of your starting point. And as you scroll down the window here on the Brightspace, you're going to find two links just past the Microsoft Team where it says Content Browser. You're going to see MyMathLab link and Red Shelf link. We'll come back to the Red Shelf link in a moment. You click the MyMathLab link. You actually have to click it twice. And that'll take you to a screen that looks like this where it'll say Open MyLab and Mastery. If you click that, at this point it will take you to a screen where you need to log in. Now, I'm already logged in, so I can't really demo that. But it'll take you to a screen where you have to log in. If you've used MyMathLab before here at the college, you just use the same username and password you had before. Otherwise, you need to create an account. As you create the account, it just asks for username and password. Email address, you can just use your college email address. And it'll take you through a couple steps. And then it's going to take you to a screen where it's going to want an access code. So what I'm going to do is at this point, coming back to my lab, to get your access code from your course home. So I just click course home again. You just scroll down and click the little red shelf link. You have to actually again click it twice. Red shelf course materials. And that will take you to a screen where it should list this class here, Math 90, beginning algebra. You click view course materials. And at that point, it's going to give you a code. Now, it's going to give you a specific code for yourself, not this particular code. But it'll give you your code, and you would just copy that code. Just select it and Control-C or copy. And then you'll go back to where it's asking for your access code, and that's where you would put that code in. And then you would have full and complete access at that point. Full and complete access at that point. Now, once you're actually sign in, you have to go through Brightspace the first time to get it linked and set up properly. Once you're set up, though, you can actually sign in by just going in to the website MyMathLab.com. And then you can sign in with the username and password that you have for MyMathLab. Now I'm still signed in, so I didn't actually ask me. For some reason it's still remembering. But that's how you get set up. You go to your course home for our class, beginning algebra. Scroll down. First link is MyMathLab link. When you click that link, it's going to take you to a screen that's going to say, hey, open MyMathLab. And at that point it's going to ask you for username and password if you've used MyMathLab before. Otherwise, you can create an account. It's going to ask you for an access code, and again, to get the access code, back to the home page, you go to your red shelf link. And then you can put your code in, and at that point you're set up and you're ready to go. Again, through the red shelf link to get to your access code. And then you put the code in, and then you're good to go. And if you want, again, at that point you can just go to mymathlab.com, and that'll take you into your course, Math 90, beginning algebra. And then everything will be in there as far as the course material. So try to get that done, get ready, get set up for as we start class on Monday.